Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the lightly refreshed 2021 Infiniti Q60S Red Sport 400. Yes, that means this has right about 400 horsepower from a twin-turbo V6, made it to a, I believe, either 7 or 8-speed automatic. I'm about to find out for sure. 7-speed automatic, yes. 350 pound-feet of torque. Total price as equipped of $65,020. Dynamic sunstone over gallery white. Nissan and Infiniti, therefore, their color names on the window sticker are abbreviated, so the sales guys know, but I'm stupid, I don't know. This one has a proactive pack, illuminated kick plates, Infiniti radiant exterior welcome lighting, and exclusive paint. Nice. Absolutely gorgeous car. And honestly, this is one of the more slept on sports cars. Not a lot of people talk about these. Not a lot of people buy them. Me being in the know that this thing is a proper rocket ship, especially with a tune. These things can start pushing 500 to 600 horsepower with some light mods. It's pretty insane. Ah, good job. All right. So a lot of people complain about the fully electric steering. During normal operation, there is no actual connection to the steering, to the wheels, to the front wheels through the steering wheel. There's a clutch that if the power goes out, the clutch, sorry, that was really loud, smacks, just engages right away, so you do not lose steering. So if you're worried about that, Infiniti has you covered. That's where this thing just shines. I mean, it's all-wheel drive. You can absolutely rock it out of corners. You know, it's like there's all these little nitpicky things that so many people like to just go on the internet and complain about. But you think of the overall package of everything. These things lease typically, I know the Q50 lease is a lot better than the Q60, but you can probably be around $600 a month. You know, and that's pretty impressive for a car that competes with some pretty high-end stuff. So a lot of people, they nitpick about the electric steering and the 7-speed. I don't know what they've done differently for 21. But when I first drove one of these, I was like, all right, I get it. I think that was 2018, 2019. It's a lot better now. A lot better. That is not what you do on an on-ramp. You go, you do this. You can see, I mean, downshifts are quick. Merging and lanes ending is quick as well. It's not a bad car. So many people are gonna sit there, oh, wow. It's not a PDK. It's not a dual clutch. You know, it's not the fastest thing in the world. Oh, it has a slush box. I don't get why so many people love to just complain. Drive the car, understand that yes, every single car has its compromises. But think of the overall packaging and the price.
Traffic alert. US 3 road construction. Narrow lanes ahead.
That is cool. First time I've ever had a car alert me of road work ahead. I typically drive the loop once before filming, get a feel of the car, see how it performs, kind of think about what I want to talk about, and then I'll do the one take right after. And when it did that, I was surprised. I'm like, never had a car tell me that there's road work coming up. And that's one of those things that, Google Maps sometimes does, Waze will do, and it's a huge help. So I'm so glad that a manufacturer's finally including that in its navigation systems. Now it's probably synced up to Sirius XM, so it might be a subscription basis, but if it's included with the navigation in the car and it's there forever, thank you. I mean, come on. Yeah, it's not the fastest transmission in the world, but it's pretty darn good. I mean, this is on par with the ZF 8-speed found in your Hellcat. This thing's awesome. In terms of comfort, driving it around, these seats, phenomenal. Seating position is great. I have, whenever I review it, a car, seat all the way down. That way I can get a feel of it's a consistent basis. If I have the seats all in different settings, yeah, I can bring this all the way up and an SUV all the way down and be like, oh yeah, your seating position's higher in the Q60. No, this gives me a true feel of what the car is like. That's where the 7-speed's awesome. It doesn't sit there and just downshift for the fun and giggles. I had to think of a way to say that without saying anything bad. It has so much low down torque that it can just drop down one gear and you can just boot it. It's awesome. I love it. On that note, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.